Hello, I'm Eric, I'm back again, and today I will show you how you fix the problems with the RepRap Discount Full Graphics Mod Controller. Yeah, the common problems are you see nothing at all, you see only light, and when you see anything, the contrast is so bad. And yeah, if you want to know how to fix it, then watch this video. First of all, these wires are to the board, and yeah, when you look at it, X-Band 1 and X-Band 2. Then you look at your board. Oh, sorry. Then you look at your board, and here you can see X-Band 2 and here X-Band 1. So a smart guy think X-Band 1 to X-Band 1 and X-Band 2 to X-Band 2. So we will try it. Oh, so what? Yeah, X-Band 1. Put it up here. And oh my god. So there's something wrong. So we put X-Band 2 on the first, and then the second one. Yeah, and you want to know what you see, and you see nothing. So I measured at the board. Oh, first of all, I look on the internet, and this instructions don't help me at all. So I measured out the pinning. So when you are a little bit familiar with electronics, you will find out that this pin is pin 1. It means the right wire. So, but on the board itself, it's rumbaboard, by the way, up here there is no ground. So I figured out I'd have to twist them around. So what you can see here, I cut the nose so I can switch them around. But if you do that, you see only light. Yeah. Cool. So I guess the next step was to twist the other one around, but that don't help. So next step was I make my own wiring. Because next step was I make my own wiring. What you can see here, pin 1 is the red wire. And here also, pin 1 is the red wire. So I make my own wiring. pin 1 is the brown wire. And here, pin 1 is the black wire. So, but as I said, that was not all. So I figured out you have to twist them. Expand 1 to expand 2 on the board, and expand 2 to expand 1 on the board. Yeah. So we will do that. What I got? Expand 1. We put them here. Cool thing, cool thing. Put that away. The next one here. Oop. One black. And here one brown. So you see it's nothing. We reset the thing and now it is working, but first we have to reset your printer or power off and power on. And what you can see here is a good contrast, but yeah, I can't show you because I throw it away. I've got these resistor on it, and I measured here, and with the full with the max possible contrast you can't see good at all. And so I measured it out and measured 3 volts, and that are far too less. If you read the data sheet for this display, you found out the display is designed for 5 volt. So you can do another potentiometer, but I get rid of that and soldered it out. And now you have a nice looking display. So I hope it helped you, and yeah, you can see me hopefully in the next videos to my links in the videos to my other ones, how you set up different driver boards, and yeah, next step is 3 color printing with the diameter and with my own diameter holder. You can download it at Think Reverse, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and peace out.